This 9 times out of 10, I'ma still fall through, dog. But golly, let's pass some Melrose Glory real quick, man. Yeah. Woo. Back again with another love vlog, man. So I'm finna leave my grandma's house and ended up running into some technical difficulties dealing with Melrose and the trailer. I noticed that one of the tires was kind of low. So I went around to the side, ended up checking out the tire, rolled the trailer up a tad bit, and my mom had ended up finding a nail inside of my tire, man. So I've been ripping and running, trying to find a tire in Fort Pierce, because I actually got somewhere to go in Orlando today. So I ended up calling Tire Kingdom, where I had them replace this tire. I don't know if y'all seen the vlog when I had them tried to get on the road to come to Fort Pierce one night, and the tire had them bust on me. So I'm not trying to take no chances, because it is raining out here. The roads are super wet. And if I end up getting a blowout, I don't know what may happen to the trailer, and I'm not trying to find out. So it's either one or two things. I either wait until Tuesday to be able to try to find a tire shop to be able to fix it, or I can take Melrose off right now and try to run it to Tire Kingdom, fix the tire for me for like $20. So I was like, shit, we might as well go ahead and get that situated and go ahead and get that popping so I can hit this road and be able to get back to my plans for the day, man. Pouring down, raining. I really haven't been able to make the content that I wanted to make in Fort Pierce this weekend. But, I mean, it's great. As long as I can get down to Orlando and weather be looking somewhat suitable, I can be able to get out and vlog some more, man. But it's always something with these cars, with the trailers, with the trucks. It's something, man. All things to a giant. So I'm going to go ahead and get this tire off so I can vlog, go down there to Tire Kingdom and let them fix it, pop it back on, load Melrose back up. And hopefully we can make it, man, because I got my boy Kerry. Make sure y'all go check out his channel too, man. I'm going to drop the description down in the bio. I mean, the link, that's just out of his bio, inside of the description down below. Let's go. I had Melrose all strapped down. Show y'all the top, man. I forgot to show y'all the top. It's the tire here. Let's see if I can show y'all the nail. The nail probably on the flip side. But the nail is actually, there you go. Nail right there. All right, man. Shout out my mama out here. She's trying to help me today.
I can.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm in this rain, man. South Florida, I don't know what's going on. 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold. All during the summertime.
That was hard.
So what you do is, right, when it's hard like that, there you go. Pouring down.
I ain't no weak ass woman. Trust me.
Sweat, man. I got
No weak woman here, baby. You say you didn't know?
No, I say we know.
Oh.
I just didn't know that you know how to change the tire, though.
Of course, I'm not a weak ass woman. Don't let nursing skill fool you.
We hear you.
I'm a nurse and I know how to change tires.
But can you drive, though? That's the question.
Hell yeah.
Okay. No, go ahead. Came off a little too easy for me, but give me an impact, man, so I can really know if these things be tightened down for real.
Oh, you should have got me taking it off.
I did. Trust me, I keep this camera rolling. Just like that, man. Tire off.
Go back on.
Pull that on. That what?
That thing.
Oh, no. I'll just leave this straight. All right, man. Pouring down sweat. It's hot, but it's still raining. But it got a little breeze. But this wool jacket ain't helping. I'm gonna run down here to Tire Kingdom, because that's where I got the tire from. A Trunco.
You showing my plate tag?
I'm show your plate. I'm showing you. I never understood that, why people hide plate tags. You go to a car show, I can get your plate tag and find your address at a car show. Or if we just riding around. I never understood that, though. Got all this stuff in that back. Yeah, I can make room. Trying to get out of Fort Hills, dog. I don't like being down here too long. But I love my city, man. True enough. Just don't like being down here that long. All right, man. So I come to Tire King. I tried to play a little finesse, and I ain't let people know that it was a trailer tire. And as soon as I get it, the man say, "Yeah, we can't repair that. Yeah, a cool $130 for another tire, man." It's crazy, but gotta get it done. They say that they don't do road hazards and all that other crap on the tires, so it's straight, man. It's always something with these cars. Tie back on, Melrose back scrap. I'm gonna go on my grandma's house and take me a good shower, man. Boy, look at him. I say I'm tired, I'm sweated out. Kara, man, if you watching this, 9 times out of 10, I'ma still fall through, dog. But golly. Let's buy some Melrose Glory real quick, man. I need to take that All-American trailer sticker off of that, man. Make it look like I got some type of rented trailer or something, man. All right, I'm back on the goddamn road. Gotta say prayers before we get on the road, you already know. And hopefully it don't rain, because it's raining down here in South Florida right now. We just touched down in Orlando, and guess who said that they tired of spending money hanging out, being out here in these streets all day. Yeah, wake your ass up. At least she got me some macaroni and cheese, man. I had a little pork chop sandwich at my grandma's house. I probably wiped my head and I feel like I got a damn ear infection. But we waiting on Drip to get here. You say who? That sound like Drip right there. That is him, man. But I got my boy Drip pulling up on me. I know him about Carrie, man, but Drip to y'all. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around. Let me see if I can catch his behind flying around the corner. Ooh.
Whoop, eating up the tire. Yeah, definitely just popped.
Came up on the curb over there, which I gotta drop the footage up in here. We gotta get the footage from Drip, man. Came up on the corner and ended up popping this tire. I think I'm going home. And whoever car that is, man, I'm gonna leave y'all a note, dog, cause y'all car should be inside the driveway. That's the reason why I had to come so close to the damn curb, man, and ended up popping this shit. But it's okay. I can either go to Walmart, cause I do need a spare rim to go on the other side, just in case if some shit like this ever happened. Got an extra tire that's still good on the back, but you know, Walmart sell the whole little shebang with the tire and all that. I run to Walmart, try to see what I can get. If not, what I'm gonna end up doing is just probably leaving this here at my auntie house and drive the box home. And and my lovely ass air pump that Carrie want to talk shit with, man. That bit is leaking right off the side already. That bit do what it do, man. I'm sitting here eating my mac and cheese. I'm trying to get right, man, and fucking around with Carrie, man. That shit, that crazy.
Yo.
I ain't tripping though, man. Bro, shit nasty, dog. He took the air rod off, he said, 'cause that bitch usually be squatting on the mates. Pressure. That's what I've been waiting on right here, but I want to hear that damn low.
Yeah.
Man, Drip, it was nice hanging out with you today. Some fuckery happened. Some fuckery happened. Hey. Oh, hit my dog, man. Let's y'all go check out his channel, man. He built. I'm going ahead and skedaddle my ass back to the hive. Try to figure out what's going on with this tire tomorrow. Yeah, that's mainly about it, dog. Y'all, man, I got y'all some content for the night. It turned out for the good. Got a chance to really say, have fun in traffic with Melrose. That was actually my first time actually having fun. Tow up Orlando, me and my boy, Kerry, AKA Drip. You feel me? He came down with his built Summit off the chain. The compression on that car is ridiculous, dog. I love it. I fucking love it. My boy Dro from Broward, man. Dro was up here. He hung out with us tonight. 2 tires in one damn day, dog. But I can't say everything happened for a reason. I ain't even get upset, because normally I get upset, but I just was like, you know what? This is another chance for me to just bring out content for y'all, man. Show y'all what we really got going on with these cars, dog. And return to Melrose. I ain't think it was gonna be like this. You feel me? Actually getting out of in traffic. I thought I was just gonna come home, you feel me, get y'all some footage around here and probably find something to do, but what? And she ran good, man. She ran real good. Temp stayed real good as well. I'm thinking about putting bigger fins, but we'll talk about that in a whole nother vlog, man. Finna go ahead and put the car cover on it, and then tomorrow it'll be a whole separate vlog. Me going to go get the new tire for the trailer and whatnot, man. Y'all just gotta tune in.
But my shit so clean, the Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.